Did you know that you can create an app to your home screen for just any website? Like for example, on this email, it says, for your next transactions, requests, inquiries, or concerns, we encourage you to use our MyHome app. But actually, it's not a regular app that we need to install. It's just a website. First thing to do is to click on the link to open it. And if you're using iPhone, open with Safari. Safari is the default browser for iPhones and Apple products. Notice the Safari icon on the lower right corner. Click on that and the Safari browser will refresh. And this time, it is capable of opening multiple tabs. Notice this icon. It is present before we click the Safari icon, but now, if we click on it, it will open more options. Select Add to Home Screen. Click on it. Then rename to make it shorter. And after, click Add. After clicking Add, an icon will be added to your home screen so you can quickly access the website. Click Add. See, an icon is created. And just like regular app, we can click on it and it will open directly the website without browser user controls. So it really looks like a regular app. Let's try another one. First, we're gonna close this one and switch to Safari browser. Click multi-tab, then click plus to add new tab, and we're gonna search youtube.com. This will be helpful, especially when you have problems in installing the regular YouTube app. Why not use the web-based YouTube instead? And YouTube will open. Now, click that same icon below to open the options and select Add to Home Screen. Click that Add to Home Screen, then rename our YouTube icon app, then click Add. The YouTube icon will be added to our home screen. So just like a regular app, we can click on it and YouTube will open. And for YouTube creators, we need a web-based YouTube Studio to manage our channel with all the editing options. Create your YouTube Studio shortcut now on your home screen. Thanks for watching!